Hello, welcome to English making channel. Today I'm going to jungle forest. Oh, three of my friend and me. Four people are going to jungle forest carrying gun. Wow, what a nice place. Wow, banana tree. Many banana tree. They are. Next time I will eat banana. Whoa. Finally reach river, not big river, small river. Oh. Okay, I'm going to rest. This is river, small river. And guys, I will show you very beautiful waterfall. Wow. Oh, very beautiful waterfall. Oh, this waterfall, see what a heart-touching waterfall. What a heart-touching waterfall. I love you more than I can see. Wow, this place make me heart-touching, vibrating to my body, to my heart. What a beautiful. Oh, and see like beautiful girls. Wow, I love this place. And this guy are cutting banana tree to catching fish tricks. Wow, what a cold. What a banana tree, like 11 something. Wow, like 11 something. Don't worry, this is best tricks to catching fish and crabs. Wow. Wow, what a nice. Whoa, tricks are so nice. Look, wow. Hey, you are like Jamnat Paul. Oh, see. What a crab and fish bait. Wow, like a black man. Oh, this guy, look. She thinks she's handsome. But you are not handsome. Sorry, bro. Don't worry. Oh, what a breakwater. What breakwater. Wow. Whoa, see what a fish. Like a zebra fish. This is. Whoa. Okay. Wow, what a black fish. This is very tasty fish and crab. Very tasty. If you want to eat this fish, then come to my village. Okay? And we are going to cook and cooking fish. Oh, bro, you look like a crocodile. Oh, what an ugly boy. What an ugly boy. You look like a crocodile. And this is river. Kamanyong River. I don't know what he doing. What he doing, I don't know. I need a girl like you and me, you and me. Baby, 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 oh, like baby, 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 oh, such you know in mine. Amazing, bro, you do amazing, amazing. Oh, this is heart-touching place. I'm heartbroken. I don't have girlfriend, so I'm heart-touching. This place is romantic place. What a romantic place. Oh, look, what a romantic place. Please disturb me, I am single. Oh, wow. Next time I'm going to this place for picnic. What a green vegetable and fish. What a tasty fish. Wow, small and little fish. You are